Woohoo! There's that sunset I was talking about. The trims were on. Woo! Woo! Airtime! Woohoo! My eyes are very wet right now. Hyper stabilization on Mako. I'm clapping spiritually.
To a complete stop, lift up on your lap bar and exit, taking all belongings with you. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all loose articles and step carefully onto the coaster.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.